back with another video for you ladies and gents. We're gonna go check and see how the plants are doing with this ElectroCulture that we got going on here. All the plants are lined up. Each and every plant that you see has ElectroCulture on it. Even that perennial over there who's not looking so good, but still has one that is hanging on. And so, hey, let's go take a look at some plants. All right. Oh man, as we always do, let's start with the granddaddy over here. You know, we had some buds. And, get in there for you. Yeah. All that there. Check this out too. Get in there. Yep. I also got some little nodes that's, hopefully will pop out, man. We don't know. In this Texas heat, it is hot, hot, hot. And I know you say, James, has it rained recently? And no, it hasn't rained recently. I had to give these guys some water, and that's exactly what I did, and that's what you see right here. Even our friend here, we'll go and take a look at him in a second. But let's take a look at this other one right here. Yeah, get in there. Yep. Lots of nodes there. And there. Yeah, I mean the whole plant is doing better since we moved them over here. You know, it was just getting really, really baked in the heat. I mean, man, we're in Dallas, Texas. You know, look at that little baby node. Where is it at? On camera. Let me see. Oh, there he goes right there. Yeah. Little baby node right there. It's a cute little baby node. It's not quite. Now you guys get an idea. Oh, yeah. Hey, there he goes. Look at that baby node. Y'all like that? I like it too. Let me go ahead and back online. Back out of there. Let's take a look at our little perennial friend here. You know, seeing better days, but you know, in that Texas heat, it's hot. It's only been in this spot for about 2 days. You know, we've been giving it water and more water, and it's gonna start to come back. You know, what we're finding out with the ElectroCulture guys really is that it, it doesn't matter what plant you have. What it's going to do is it's going to help the root system. The deeper you can get it down in there, closer to the roots, when you start having this lightning activity, which we hadn't had in a couple of days, it is going to make the plant more resilient, is what I'm finding out. As far as pests and everything like that is concerned, man, it does help to an extent keep the smaller pests away. Pests that would try to get in the roots does help that. Aphids and stuff like that, man, you still need to make sure you put it in an area that doesn't have aphids, and that's pretty hard to do here in Texas. But I will tell you this, I think this is a better place for it. And if we have aphids, speaking of that, oh man, I was gonna let you see it. I know you probably saw it on camera. I had a little bug on the leaf there, probably just bounced out, but yeah, it's gonna help the roots. Here's my guy that's underneath the little shed right here, and there's the other guy that I talked about. And here's that tiniest flowers.
You guys like that? All right. You can see the other ones on the ground dead, and I mean that's to be expected. And our friend is in the background. You know, it's helping the roots stay resilient so these guys can come back. I mean, they were only supposed to survive for one season, but yeah, they're back, and so we'll see how many of these come back. Given that there's only one left. So I know you guys are aching to see the hybrid, our hybrids here. They're pretty cool. And this guy's getting up there, doesn't have any flower pods yet. I mean, like I said, if you guys can go back and take a look at the other videos, you'll see that the taller of the two branches, which was here, you know, showed promise. It really did. But something happened to that one, and it was chopped down. So that's what happened to that. Now, anyway, we can move on here to the guy who has always seemed to be blooming. So yeah, this guy here, you know, which I did give him water as well. Take a look at that. Saying hello to you. Yeah. So yeah, that's what the copper rod does. Keeps away small pests and make the root system more resilient. And you know, I would also say, you know, if it's a cold sunny day, you know, that just small amount of heat that copper rod might absorb could really be significant to the plant that it's next to. And some people may have more elaborate copper rods than you see here, but that's okay. Like I said before, if you want yours, you know, just drop me a link and I will be happy to get you some. So moving on, guys, let's go. So these guys right here have some flower pods, have yet to pop out, and you know, but they're in a good position, I think so. We'll see. Oh, guys, I think you have just witnessed the first part of the flowers opening. Aw, guys, look at it. If I can get it closer. Oh, there she goes. Oh, hang on. Maybe she wants us to get closer. We'll do that. Girl, stop shaking. I know you want to be seen. Guys, check that out. She's popping out. I didn't see this the other day, and it's a good feeling that I got to see it with you. So that was cool. And anyway, guys, like I always say, you know, you could have spent time anywhere else, but you chose to spend some time with us. I really do appreciate it. And next time we'll have some more updates for you, and you know, maybe some more flowers in the future. By the way, some people ask me, hey James, what about those other channels that you mentioned? I will give you more information on that in the future down below. So like I say, guys, you could have been anywhere in the world. You chose to spend some time with me. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.